Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the chapter United Nations. Okay. In this chapter, we will talk about the different international organization. So, first is United Nation Development Program UNDP. Full form of UNDP is United Nation Development Program, formed in 1965. It means it was established or founded in 1965. It helped the developing countries to make optimum use of their natural and human resources by providing experts or training to the local people. It help means ये क्या काम करता है? It help the developing countries. Develop means there is developed countries like UK, United Kingdom, USA, America. These are developed countries. India is a developing country, and there are also underdeveloping countries. Okay, so it helps the developing countries, means those who are in process of development. So this UNDP help the countries to make optimum use. Optimum means fuller utilization of their natural, means resources. Some we get from nature, and human means human are used as a resources, means we are getting education, then training. It means people are resource as a use as a resource for the development of the economy. Means I am teaching you. If I am not trained, if I am not taking training in teaching, and I am not educated, so how I will be able to teach you? Okay, so like teacher, doctor, all these are human resource, and natural which we get from the nature, like plants, many type of plants, trees, okay, minerals, all these are natural resources. By providing experts or training to the local people. Okay, so work of UNDP is it provide training and help to the developing country. And where is the headquarter of UNDP, United Nations Program? So it is in New York, NEUYORK, New York. Second, World Bank. World Bank was established in 1944. It is officially called the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development. Why it is called the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development? Because the countries are member of this bank, and it provide financially help to the countries for their development. That is why it is called the international, because it is organized on the at international level, and it provide member countries financially help for their development for long time. Long time means we can say for 50-year, 20-year, 30-year loan. Okay, so World Bank help the countries for their development. It tends money to help countries with projects such as dam, power plants, and railroad. Means if we want to develop our country, for example, India want to develop, and we want to develop a railroads, transportation facilities, power plants, dams. Okay, so we need money. So from where government used to borrow? From World Bank or IMF. So World Bank give long-term credit. Long-term credit means loan. Credit means loan. So World Bank give long-term loan to the member countries. At present time, nearly 186 countries are member of World Bank. Okay. Headquarter of World Bank is in, where it is? It is in Washington. Okay. Third, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, that is called UNICEF. Full form of UNICEF is United Nations International Children Emergency Fund, established in 1946. It aids children in more than 100 countries by helping to solve problem of health, hunger, and education. UNICEF work for the children, and as celebrities, many times celebrities are elected as a ambassador of UNICEF, okay, and they give fund to UNICEF for the children help. So it provide solve problem of children health, मीन्स हेल्थ इश्यूज, हंगर, जो बच्चे भूखे हैं जिनको हेल्थ केयर नहीं मिल पाती है, एजुकेशन नहीं मिल पाती है, तो यूनिसेफ है वो उनके लिए काम करता है. इट वर्क मोर देन 100 कंट्रीज. ओके, सो हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूनिसेफ इट इज इन न्यूयॉर्क. ओके, हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ यूनिसेफ इज इन न्यूयॉर्क. सो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फूड एंड एग्रीकल्चर Organization, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, established in 1944. It worked to improve the production and distribution of food and other agriculture products. It worked to improve the production and distribution of food and other agriculture product. So where it is headquarter of FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, is headquarter of, it is in Rome. Okay, ROME, Rome. Now IMF, as I earlier tell you that IMF and the World Bank both provide financially help to the member countries, and both World Bank was established in 1944 and IMF was established in 1945. It helps adjust differences between the money system used by various countries, making it easier for nation to trade with one another. So IMF also help the countries in various money system, okay, and it make trading system easier. Like now US dollar is used at the international level for exchange, means if we are exporting and importing anything, then we pay in term of US dollar. Okay, IMF also provide financially help to the countries for short time, means in other simple term we can say that short term credit or loan is provided by IMF, International Monetary Fund. So headquarter of IMF is Washington. Okay, next, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, established in 1946. It encourages educational, scientific and cultural progress to increase understanding among nations. So what is the work of UNESCO? Full form of UNESCO is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, established in 1946. It encourages education के लिए scientific and cultural program to increase understanding among the nation. So headquarter of UNESCO is in Paris. Okay, so now next question. WHO, World Health Organization, established in 1948. It is the world principal agency for dealing with health problem. Mainly, what is the work of WHO? It deal with the health problem at the international level, as COVID-19 name was given by to the coronavirus by WHO, because it came in 19, on the basis of that COVID-19 it is called. And also there are many guidelines that is issued by the WHO, World Health Organization. Okay, it also measures the country health on the basis of sample taken by WHO from different countries. Okay, so where is headquarter of WHO? It is in Geneva. Okay, it is in Geneva. So we have discussed different type of international organization that work at international level for different purpose. Like UNDP develop for the training program for to helping developing country. Then World Bank help in financially help for the development of economy of a country, and UNICEF help work for the children help, and Food and Agriculture Organization work to improve the distribution of food and other agriculture product. IMF also deal with the financial problem, and United Nations Educational Scientific Cultural Organization UNESCO deal with the education scientific cultural program, and WHO deal with the health problem. Okay, here you can see this is the logo of UNESCO, this is the logo of World Bank, it is World Health Organization, this is the logo of WHO, World Health Organization, and it is ILO, International Labour Organization. Okay, so these are some logo of international organization. So students, watch the video and also read this international organization from your book. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask and write the name of headquarter in the given column. Okay, like headquarter of UNGP, UNICEF, IMF, write in the given column. Okay, thank you students.